is where we're gonna buy the deer, guys. Alright, thanks, huh? This store here have everything, lots of stuff here, guys. They got everything. You got dresses here. The Indian outfit for Diwali, for wedding, for everything, I guess. A dress at the back here. We got jewelry too. All kind of jewelry.
Yes, this never no brand mannequin. 8,000 for anyone. 8,000. Yeah, 8,000. But the book is for brand mannequin. It's never saying. Ignore the prices, ask me.
So maybe when you come down for your Diwali celebration and thing, you can get yourself one of these shoes. Nice one. What is that?
How much are you? Check
So they have so many things here, guys. So many things. I think you can get anything you think of right here when you come in.
Let's make a like a list.
Oh yeah, thank you, man.
Oh.
That would be great. That would be nice.
So what size you think?
We'll be having a photo shoot, we'll be having tasa, we'll be having live karaoke music, and
Okay.
I'm trying to get the cultural the boys with the dollar.
That's good, man. That's
So
good.
which
That's
group
good.
of beta, sir?
One of them chilling now.
Oh,
What
oh,
is
oh.
knock
Yeah.
tasa like
Yeah.
that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And
So what
the
time it
auntie
start?
and stuff are fairly pull orient, you know how.
So we get free Polaroid, sir?
Yeah man, I will come down,
Well, then we'll come for sure. If we get free Polaroid, we'll come for sure.
Yeah. We'll give you a chance to tour the pull over, take a picture.
Exactly, yeah.
The guy is doing photo shoot. So
That's
We have
nice
a-
though,
we
that's
have a
nice.
really
You
nice backdrop, so you can have that with just these little girls as Lakshmi and so on.
Oh, right,
The
the
culture.
culture, yes.
Yes,
That's
yes.
good. That's a good thing you guys do, man.
Yeah, kaya nag-motorcade and so now.
Adana to
Yeah.
But we can't crowd up, so we have
Right,
it all
right,
going
right.
on. So how you come, you know, you think. And
Yeah, you guys got to enforce the COVID,
The thing,
COVID
yes,
rules, right?
So yeah, the pink one. The pink one. What size?
Hey, just up you come back. Yeah.
Yeah, dress up and come back for
The
the
pink
party.
one, sure, get size is she?
Yeah, we got. Let's see.
Or a more dressy one?
No, that's nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, me want to wear one like this too. Nice. Nice. You want to come in the dressing room? Or put them on?
So guys, they have dressing room. You can try on the stuff here too. See?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll go it.
Well, I was for the jacket.
Oh, big gully hair there.
Careful, you're not gonna have the big yes. This could fit you.
You guys have a lot of stuff here, man. Anything you can think of, eh?
We started with 2 shalwar
Two shalwar?
in
Wow.
the space of chair. So I'm Pandit Sohan, that's my wife Arisha.
Okay, hi, how are you?
There's a lot of exploitation in this kind of cultural things, and so we thought that we'll bring everything affordable. You can get a sari here for like $1,500 for Mandirs and so on,
Okay,
and from you get tops like from $2,000 up.
okay.
Oh,
So state where you are and what is the name of the shop?
well, this is Arisha's Indian Fashion at Meten, Zorg, on the west coast of the
Oh, the West Coast Demerara.
Yeah.
So which we gonna get? Yeah, man, you guys have a lot of stuff. I was surprised to see so many things here.
Yeah.
Like anything you can really think of. So you guys heard where this place is, Meten Zorg? But you can come down and get any one of these hundreds of items you see here.
This one can go? This one can go?
No, this or this, eh? What is one muna?
Yeah. How much are these?
2,000.
Huh?
2,000.
How much is this?
There is 2,000 there.
Oh,
There is 2,000.
it has 2,000 up there.
This is 3,000.
Còn mình đang prag mẹ đi nói với mấy hả? Đâu. Yêu yes side. How much are these?
3,000. Try. You want this like this or like this?
Let me try the bigger. And what? Oh, 3,000 for the set.
Yeah, one.
Oh, one set. Oh,
This is half one and
okay.
yeah, this is whole two sides and one pocket. Enough it. Yeah, your hand big, yeah.
Oh, you hand big, you hand can big more than me one. Me get.
You try this though, see if this is passing you want. Yeah, it's small.
Me buy like this, right?
Yeah.
You got it bigger. Let me try this one then.
Oh, you get the color one.
Yeah, that other. Let me. This is really big. Okay.
That goes
No, you want at least one bigger?
Just your hand, little sock.
Ah, a little big.
My hand soft. That's, you see about cake. Oh, broken.
We got a technique here now, eh?
Now, no, now go out.
Well, then I got size for you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, too big.
Try on the next time. Try on the next time.
So if you go about one, how am I gonna
What the ring though? You know go?
No.
Wait.
You put your hand right, you gotta make your hand now.
So, like this. So that.
Yes. Yes.
How much we buy it?
2,000 inside, 8,000.
How much one?
400 from pocket.
2,400. So that's $200 a dozen.
Yeah.
Alright, so waiting for the oil. We gotta come back for the oil this afternoon.
So like this one is 48. This one is the two of them are just actually the same. This is a 46.
We have these here. $3,000 for one of this. Have some huge Krishna paintings here. So this store is huge. Have so many stuff as you see, right? There are frames here too.
सिंधुसुता में सुमरो तो ही ज्ञान बुद्धि विद्या को मोही
Alright, that's it for this video, guys.
तुम समान नहीं
Huh? Yes, man. Yeah. Okay, I will. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed our visit here and all the stuff that was in this store. And see you in the next video, guys. Take care.